If you want to zoom in OneNote quickly, there are a few easy ways to do it, and in this video I'll walk you through each one step by step. Whether you're using a mouse, a trackpad, or the ribbon toolbar, you'll be able to adjust the page scale in seconds and make your notes easier to read, write, and organize. If this tutorial helps you out, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Let's get started. First, if you're working on a desktop or laptop with a mouse, the fastest method is to use the keyboard and scroll wheel together. Hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key if you're on a Mac. While holding that key, roll your mouse scroll wheel upward to zoom in. You'll see the page get larger right away, which is perfect when you want to focus on small text, diagrams, or handwritten notes. If you need to zoom back out, simply roll the scroll wheel downward while still holding Control or Command. This shortcut is really useful because it gives you smooth control over the zoom level and you don't have to take your hands off the keyboard for long. If you're reviewing a page with lots of content, you can quickly zoom in to read details, then zoom out again to see the full layout. It's one of the simplest and most efficient ways to work in OneNote. Now, if you prefer using the toolbar, you can also zoom in from the View tab. At the top of OneNote, click the View tab in the ribbon menu. Once the View tools open, look for the Zoom section. In that area, you'll see the Zoom In button, which usually looks like a magnifying glass with a plus sign, and the Zoom Out button, which usually looks like a magnifying glass with a minus sign. Click Zoom In to make the page larger, or click Zoom Out if you want to reduce the size. This method is great if you like visual controls instead of keyboard shortcuts. It also makes it easy to zoom in little by little until the page is at the exact size you want. That can be especially helpful when you're presenting notes, taking screenshots, or working on detailed content inside OneNote. And if you ever zoom in too far, don't worry. OneNote gives you a quick way to go back to the default view. In the same zoom section, click the Zoom to 100% button, sometimes shown as Fit to Window or Default Page Sizing. This immediately snaps your page back to the standard view, so you can reset everything with one click. It's a great option when you want to return to normal reading size without guessing the zoom level. So, to recap, you can zoom in OneNote by holding Control or Command and scrolling up, or by using the View tab and the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons. And if you want to reset the page, just click Zoom to 100% to return to default size. Once you know these options, navigating your notes becomes much easier and much more comfortable. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick OneNote tutorials and other helpful software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.